You will require a computer or mobile application to do digital transactions. There are many applications available which can facilitate digital transactions. It is very important for you to choose the right service provider providing digital transactions. Sometimes you may get an SMS from an unknown source with a download link for a mobile application. Such applications are not reliable. Sometimes they do not function, and at some other times they will lead to frauds and losses. You should not download an application based on an SMS invite. While some of the good apps may provide you a small cashback or a gift for you to sign up, if someone offers you a large amount just for signing up, you need to become careful. Such applications may steal your personal information and may lead to losses. You should register only with the services offered by the trusted organizations. Many banks and other companies authorized by the government facilitate digital transactions. You should make proper inquiries from trusted sources before deciding on which platform to choose. Always download the applications from the official sources. Android and Apple iOS are the two of the most popular operating systems used in phones. If you have an Android phone, you can download official apps from Google Play Store. If you have an Apple phone, you can download official apps from Apple Play Store. Downloading apps from SMS or email links may lead you to download fraudulent apps. Such apps may steal private information and may result in frauds and loss of money. You will need to link your mobile number with your bank account in case you want to take advantage of digital banking. You receive SMS messages relating to withdrawal and deposit transactions in your bank accounts. Through these messages, you will immediately know if there is a fraudulent withdrawal in your bank account. If you do not receive messages about withdrawal and deposits, you should contact your bank branch. It is possible that the bank account is either not linked to any mobile phone number or is linked to an incorrect phone number. Registering or signing up on the app is really convenient. You will need to provide your mobile number and then select the linked bank account when it appears on the screen. The app will also ask for a few permissions. However, you need to exercise caution while registering. you should complete the registration process yourself or with the help of an authorized official of the bank. You should not trust any strangers who offers to help you with the registration process. Taking help from such strangers may result in disappointments and losses due to cheating and frauds. UPI ID is linked to your bank account number. Others can send money to you using this ID. You should be very careful while creating your UPI ID. You should create your UPI ID yourself. If required, you can learn how to create an UPI ID from an authorized bank official or a person you trust. You should still not ask that person to make the ID for you. You should make the ID yourself. You can decide yourself what would your UPI ID be. The ID could be like my name @XYZ Bank or my phone number @XYZ Bank. Making payment using UPI is really easy. Most merchants also have QR codes with their UPI ID displayed in their shops. You can scan the code in your app and make the payment. You can search for the merchant's mobile number in the app and then make payment. After making the payment, you should confirm with the merchant whether she has received funds in her bank account. You should never allow anyone else to enter the merchant's ID on your app. This may lead to frauds. You can also pay your loan installments using UPI app. The best way to make payment of your loan installments is by scanning the QR code which is printed on your loan card or on the sanction letter. You should not pay using the QR code or the UPI ID suggested later by the bank field staff. Doing this may lead to the amount going to someone else. You should never take help of any stranger while entering the UPI ID or scanning the QR code. Doing this may lead you to lose your money. It is easy to transfer money to your friends or relatives using UPI. You can enter your friend or relative's phone number in the app and search for their UPI ID there and make payment. Make sure to confirm that the concerned person has received the money. You can also use the UPI ID or the QR code sent by them for making payment. You should never take help from a stranger for transferring money using UPI ID or QR code. This may lead to frauds. UPI ID can be used to receive funds from your customers, relatives, or friends. You can provide your UPI ID to them and they can make payments using this ID. You should never allow someone else to do the transaction on your behalf on the pretext that that person will help you get money from the customers. They could actually try to transfer money out of your bank account. If someone asks you to scan a QR code for you receiving the money, you should not believe that person. You cannot receive money by scanning the QR code provided by that person. You can only transfer money out of your account by scanning that person's QR code.